So, hello friends. I am taking one example of the linear differential equation. As you know that yesterday I discussed about the variables equation, and I also discussed some numericals on the basis of that concept, and I hope that you understood that concept. Today I am going to take the numerical in the topic linear differential equation, and I have already told you that what will be the form of this type of differential equation. Mainly question will be in form of dy by dx plus dy is equal to q, where p and q is the function of x. I am taking one example. Example is 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. So this is a problem and we have to solve. As you know that first of all what we have to do, we have to just try to uh, think that this is similar to this kind of differential equation. If this is not, then we have to make like this, then we have to proceed. So this will become dy by dx plus y upon 1 plus x square is equal to e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Now you are getting that this is very easy to understand. Here value of p will be 1 by 1 plus x square and q will be this one, this whole term. So as I told you that we have to find out the integral factor. So this will be e to the power p dx and p is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So this will be e to the power uh, tan inverse x. Integrate this one. So final this will be y multiplied by integral factor or is equal to q uh, multiplied by integral factor dx plus c. So now we have to integrate this one. You can consider that tan inverse x is equal to t, and you can put here e to the power 2t and dt, because dx upon 1 plus x square become dt, and you can integrate that very easily, and you can put the value of t in form of tan inverse x, and that will be the answer. I'm hopeful that this will help you to understand. Mainly we have to think about this, how we can deal with this one, and if we get success to write down any differential equation in form of this one, this standard form, then it is very easy for us to solve the whole numerical. So this was one of the problems. I want to take another problem. Another problem will be x dy by dx plus x dy by dx minus not plus y is equal to 2x square cos x. So here you get to know that if you divide by x, then we will get this form. So this will become dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 2x cos of x. And now it is very easy for you to understand. You can consider that p is equal to minus 1 by x. So integral factor will be e to the power minus 1 by x dx. That will be e to the power minus log x is equal to 1 by x. So this will become y multiplied by integral factor is equal to q 2x cos x divided multiplied by this integral factor dx plus c. X will cancel out and this will become 2, and the integration of cos x is equal to log cosec x minus cot x. So you can write down this log cosec x minus cot x plus c. You can multiply x in this side, so this will become y is equal to 2x log cosec x minus cot x plus c. So this will be the final answer. If any condition is given, you can apply that condition, and that condition will help us to find out the value of c, and we can put the value of c here, and that will be our final answer. Let's take another example.
चलेगा तो क्यों खा लिया
And you can take the we can take another example, easy example, that is sec x dy by dx is equal to y plus
बाद में जाएगा
sin x. So now it is very easy, you can separate this second, so this will become dy by dx minus y by sec x is equal to sin x multiply by sec x. So this will be, or you can write down dy by dx minus dy by dx minus y cos x is equal to sin x into cos x. Now you can consider that integral factor will be, you have to consider that p is equal to minus cos x. So this will be minus cos x dx, and this will be e to the power minus sin x. So this will be y integral factor e to the power minus sin x is equal to q sin x cos x e to the power minus sin x integral factor dx plus c. Now you can consider that sin x is equal to t, and when you say sin x is equal to t, then this will become cos x dx is equal to dt. So you can consider, so you can put the value here. So sin x will be t e to the power minus t dt, and you can integrate that one. You will get something, and then again put the value of t, which is sin x, and that will be your final answer. So these were some numericals, and I'm hopeful that these numericals will help you to understand the concept of the linear differential equation. Mainly they ask many questions regarding this topic, so we have to be very careful while solving this question. Sometimes it becomes possible that something is given in place of p, we have to consider it something, then we get this then we get what you are given with the dy by dx. That is sometimes that is a little bit difficult, or not so much difficult. We have to consider this one t, and we get this one. So that is the one only. So we will also discuss that type of problems later on. But now I think this is sufficient for us to understand the basic concept. So these are some examples, and I'm hopeful that this will help you. Thank you, friends.